Hello everyone, welcome back. Let's continue with the second part of the video. Those who haven't watched the first part, I would highly recommend doing so in order to fully understand the topic. The link of the first part you can find in the description below. Anyway, as I mentioned in the first part, the input summary provides a comprehensive overview of the simulation settings. There is another thing you can do. For example, you can write this file. So you will go and you will say save, and here you will define, so I don't know, let's say summary. Save wherever you like. Anyway, you can save anywhere, and you will get a text file. So it is writing this file, and you get all these settings in the form of as a text file. So this way, through input summary, you can really get a detailed overview of all of these settings, and you can see all these information at one place. Otherwise, you would go into one by one and check what material properties have been used, what kind of material you have assigned over here. You have to go really into each of these things, but here you can find all these information by only one click. So it was the second way of checking your case. And the third one, that is more related to writing your report. Here, report outline. If you click on this report outline, you will get another tab over here. Here on this report outline, you can really write a report of your simulation. So in input summary, you see these are only the input setting, but there were no results. But in a report, you can also write all of these results. So whatever you have defined, so you can check and uncheck. For example, we don't need all these things, so you can uncheck. But if you have some contour, so do we need mesh or not, it's up to you. So you can really check what information do you need. Then once you have selected what you need, for example in plots, so you have different plots. I have used some plots report definition. We will also discuss about these report definition. But anyway, once you have done that, so you will click over here on the generate, and it will generate a detailed report. So here you can see it is writing a report. So let's wait a little bit. Once it finishes this report, it will take some time. It will create a really detailed report. So here you can see the table of content. It has created for everything, system information, then geometry and mesh. So what kind of mesh is there? So for example, these are different cells. They have hexa cells, aspect ratio, so it shows the mesh quality. If you go down the orthogonal quality, so maximum cell have the quality more than 90% have really good quality, and some are going up to 50, orthogonal quality 50. So still it is good. Model, what kind of model is used, and so it really gives a detailed overview, or write everything whatever you have in your simulation. So there are a lot of things are not available in here because this case is not in final form, but you can really select what you need in here. You can also include what kind of result do you need. You can create a really detailed report, and it can saves a lot of time for you. At the end, you can export this report as a PDF. So for that, so here export as PDF. So you can export as PDF, and you can save wherever you want to save. So getting contour one is not valid. So here this case doesn't have any solution there. So that's why the contour in this simulation or the timing is saying it is not valid. So that's why this is warning message, but that's okay. These are three ways, as I said. So in summary, so with list modified setting, you can really see the overview what have been changed from the default value. If you want to see the detailed information about your case, so you can use the input summary. It will give you all those inputs which have provided, and really detailed summary of all of your input. And as I said, you can also export your this input summary as a text file. And in the end, you can export your simulation including your results as a PDF file that give a really detailed overview of. If you have any questions, so feel free to leave them in the comment, and we will see in the next video with another topic.